Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented and shared our videos. Replacing a starter solenoid is a common maintenance task in vehicle repair, crucial for ensuring a smooth start every time you turn the key. When your car's ignition switch signals the starter solenoid, it connects the battery to the starter motor, allowing the engine to crank and start. However, over time, the starter solenoid can wear out or fail, leading to starting issues. Signs of a faulty starter solenoid include a clicking noise when you turn the key, the engine cranking but not starting, or no response at all when attempting to start your vehicle. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it may be time to replace the starter solenoid to restore your vehicle's starting system to optimal performance. In this post, we'll dive into the essential steps and best practices for replacing a starter solenoid in your vehicle. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or looking to save on repair costs by tackling this task yourself, we've got you covered with expert guidance and practical tips to get your vehicle back on the road swiftly and smoothly. Understanding the starter solenoid. A vehicle's starter solenoid is a crucial component in the starting system, responsible for transferring electrical currents to the starter motor. Located near the engine, typically mounted on the interior firewall or fender, the starter solenoid plays a pivotal role in initiating the engine's ignition process when you turn the key in the ignition switch. Signs of a faulty starter solenoid. Clicking sound when turning the key. One of the most common indicators of a faulty starter solenoid is a rapid clicking noise when attempting to start the engine. This repetitive clicking typically signifies that the solenoid is receiving power but failing to engage the starter motor. Engine not starting. If you turn the key in the ignition and the engine fails to start despite hearing the starter motor's operation, it could point to a malfunctioning solenoid that is not effectively transferring the electrical currents to start the engine. Intermittent starting issues. A faulty starter solenoid may cause sporadic starting problems. Your vehicle might start fine on some occasions but experience difficulty or complete failure to start on others. This inconsistency can be a clear sign of solenoid troubles. Smoke or burning smell. In severe cases of starter solenoid failure, you may notice smoke emanating from the engine compartment or detect a distinct burning odor. These signs indicate a critical issue that requires immediate attention to prevent further damage to the vehicle's electrical system. By recognizing these telltale signs of a faulty starter solenoid, you can address the issue promptly and avoid potential inconvenience or more extensive damage to your vehicle. Tools and materials needed. Before you begin replacing a starter solenoid, it's crucial to gather all the necessary tools and materials for a smooth and safe process. Here are the key items you'll need. Example tools and materials. Wrench set. A set of wrenches will be essential for loosening and tightening bolts during the replacement. Screwdrivers. Both flathead and Phillips screwdrivers may be required to remove screws or fasteners holding the starter solenoid in place. Replacement starter solenoid. Make sure to have the new starter solenoid ready to install. Safety glasses. Protect your eyes from any debris or fluids that may come loose during the replacement process. Gloves. Keep your hands clean and protected while working on your vehicle. Ensuring you have all these tools and materials at hand will save you time and prevent any interruptions during the starter solenoid replacement. Stay prepared and work methodically to complete the task. Replacing the starter solenoid. After experiencing issues with your vehicle's starting system, it may be time to replace the starter solenoid. Follow these simple steps to safely and effectively replace the starter solenoid in your vehicle. Step 1. Prepare the vehicle. To begin the replacement process, it is crucial to prepare the vehicle properly. Start by disconnecting the battery to prevent any electrical mishaps during the replacement. Locate the starter solenoid in your vehicle, typically found near the engine, and ensure easy access for the replacement process. Step 2. Remove the old solenoid. Now it's time to remove the old faulty starter solenoid. Begin by carefully loosening the bolts that secure the solenoid in place. Disconnect any wires attached to the solenoid, making note of their positions for reinstallation later. Safely detach the old solenoid from the vehicle, ensuring no damage is done to surrounding components. Step 3. Install the new solenoid. With the old solenoid removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new starter solenoid in the correct position, paying close attention to the wiring connections. Carefully reconnect the wires to the new solenoid following the notes you made earlier. Securely attach the new solenoid to the vehicle using the provided bolts, ensuring a tight fit for optimal performance. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can easily replace the starter solenoid in your vehicle and get back on the road with a properly functioning starting system. Remember, safety is key throughout the replacement process to avoid any accidents or damage to your vehicle. Testing the new starter solenoid. After installing a new starter solenoid, it is crucial to test it to ensure it functions correctly before putting everything back together. Testing the starter solenoid will give you the confidence that your vehicle will start smoothly without any issues. Let's walk through the testing procedure to make sure everything is in order. Testing procedure. Reconnect the battery. Before testing the new starter solenoid, reconnect the battery, ensuring a secure connection. Turn the key. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the start position. Ensure all dashboard lights come on. 3. Listen for the correct sound. When you turn the key, listen for a distinct clicking sound from the starter solenoid. This indicates that the solenoid is engaging properly with the starter motor. 4. Check starter motor engagement. If you hear the clicking sound, but the engine does not crank, it might indicate a problem with the starter motor rather than the solenoid. This could be due to issues with the flywheel teeth or the starter motor itself. 5. Ensure proper functioning. If the sound is correct and the engine cranks smoothly, your new starter solenoid is functioning as it should. This means your replacement was successful and you can proceed with reassembling your vehicle with confidence. By following these steps to test the newly installed starter solenoid, you can confirm that the replacement has been effective and your vehicle is ready to get back on the road. Testing is a crucial step in the process of replacing a starter solenoid and ensures the smooth operation of your vehicle's starting system. Safety precautions and additional tips. When it comes to replacing a starter solenoid, safety should be your #1 priority. By following these crucial safety measures and additional tips, you can ensure a smooth and accident-free replacement process. Safety gear reminder. It is essential to always wear the appropriate safety gear like gloves and goggles before starting any work on your vehicle. These items are not just accessories, they are shields that protect you from potential injuries during the replacement process. Gloves safeguard your hands from sharp edges or hot surfaces, while goggles prevent any debris or chemicals from getting into your eyes. Prioritize your safety by investing in quality safety gear to avoid any accidents or mishaps. Remember, a small investment in safety gear can make a huge difference in protecting yourself while working on your vehicle. Stay safe, stay protected. Double-check connections. Before you begin the replacement process, it is crucial to double-check all connections and ensure that everything is in place. Make sure the battery is disconnected to avoid any electrical mishaps. Inspect the wiring and terminals for any signs of damage or wear. By verifying all connections before proceeding, you can prevent potential issues and ensure a smoother replacement experience. Additional tips. Take your time and follow the instructions carefully to avoid making mistakes. Keep track of the bolts and screws you remove to easily reassemble the components. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to seek professional help or guidance. Test the new starter solenoid after installation to ensure it is functioning correctly. Safety should always come first when working on your vehicle. By adhering to these safety precautions and additional tips, you can successfully replace a starter solenoid without any complications. Stay vigilant, stay safe. In conclusion, replacing a faulty starter solenoid is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance and safety. Ignoring this issue can lead to frustrating breakdowns and potential safety hazards on the road. As we conclude our single-part guide on replacing a starter solenoid, we hope you found this information helpful and empowering. Remember, by tackling simple repairs like this yourself, you can save time and money while gaining a deeper understanding of your vehicle. Until next time, may you continue to explore, learn and DIY with confidence. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.